The future belongs to those who create technology, not just study it. Welcome to R.A.G.E, Atria's Center for Robotics, Automation, and Innovation.
So I've been working under R.A.G.E Club, which is Robotics Automation Group of Engineers. So in this club, we have been learning about industry-focused projects, which includes designing, manufacturing, 3D printing and all. So we had a good focus and we had workshops, labs, industrial visits, internships and projects.
Here I've gotten plenty of hands-on opportunities to hands-on exposure to work on various competitions, workshops, robotic labs and various live projects.
This club provides opportunities to work on automation, robotics, additive manufacturing.
This club has helped us or enabled us students to pursue our careers in real life scenarios, where nowadays 3D printing, drones, robotics has become a new career opportunities for all of us.
Where the club is looking to the current age technologies and where we are looking to the encouraging our students to focus on Industry 4.0 and advanced cutting technologies, and where they can multidisciplinarily gather here and they can do the collaborative works and look into the futuristic technologies.
At R.A.G.E, students turn ideas into reality through hands-on projects in robotics, AI, IoT, and advanced manufacturing. They build, innovate, and solve real-world challenges, preparing for the future by creating it today.